Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 error code 126. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your Windows is up to date, because it sometimes can cause this problem. So you just need to go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, and then restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. And if it's not, then you need to go to your Steam, then right click on the game, properties, install files, verify integrity of the game files, and if this doesn't work, go to browse, then you need to go to game, then you need to go to bin win64, then you need to look for a CS2 exe file, right click on it and run as administrator, right? And then the problem should be fixed. And if it's not, you need to basically manually install DirectX and Microsoft Visual C++. And to do so, you just need to write DirectX, and here it will be the first link here. You just need to download it. And then you need to download Microsoft Visual C++ runtime. And then you just need to download these two files. And after you download these two files, it should appear to your desktop or whatever you saved, and then just normally install. But with the DirectX, make sure that you don't install a Bing bar, right? And that's pretty much it. After that, just restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.